In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A05s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit to access security and privacy. Then scroll down again, click on biometrics and select face recognition at the top. Now enter your current screen lock, hit continue, keep your face in frame, wait for 100% mark and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then manage all of those options however you want to and go back. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!